Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to end a song tastefully and beautiful, beautiful on the key of F sharp. Let's do it on the key of F sharp. So listen to it and let's dive. Woo, let's go. Do you hear that? So the movement was like going to Z, do, do. So instead of the so, do, we do so, Z, back, back, but now on that, woo, we did this thing. So it was we were using we give you all the glory, we worship you, we pray. So what we were doing there is on the we so 2, 5, and then we go on the sharp one, which is your Z, do, do. So that's your sharp 1, sharp 6, and then back to 1. Now on that sharp 5, which on the key of F sharp is our D, we play this C sharp, F sharp, A flat, A, and we just repeat it. Arpeggios, remember? And then we come back on the sharp 6. Again. Like I do. Woo! That's even another movement. And come up with different licks like. So, but what I'm teaching you today is ending a chord tastefully, which is from the, let's say, 2, 3, 6, 2, sharp 5. I hope that helps. So let's use it. Let's use it in a song. So let's use it in a song. Awesome God, how great thou art. You are God, mighty are your miracles. We stand in awe of your goodness. Lord, we bow and worship you. Do it with me. Let's go. So, awesome God down the song. Hey, awesome God, how great thou art. You are your miracle. We stand of your Lord, we bow and worship. Let's use another song so that we get the feel. Remember? C. So we are going up when we strike the sharp 5. We are coming down when we strike the sharp 6. And then we land on the 1. You see the way I'm utilizing arpeggios. So let's use another song. I am the Lord that elected. I am the Lord, the healer. You said your word and you that's on the ring. And you my disease. You are the Lord, the healer. I hope that helps.